Hello everyone, welcome to Sublistar channel here. In this video, we will introduce how to install and use Sublistar DTG direct-to-garment printer. The print model demonstrated in this video is Sublistar DTX-I. When you unbox a brand new machine, you will receive a DTG printer, an accessory kit, a set of inks, and a set of pre-treatment liquid. So first thing, we need to make sure the ink cartridges, print head, have been installed correctly. And make sure the waste ink paper is inserted into the waste ink collector. Next, we're going to turn on the printer. Collect the power and press the button. After the machine is turned on, if the machine makes such a beep 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 sound, don't be nervous. It may be that the machine was heating during transportation, causing the interface to loosen and leak. So we recommend checking the interfaces of all ink tubers to see if they are completely connected. Next, we're going to fill the ink. After turning off the printer, we filled the ink cartridges with ink. Pour slowly ink according to the ink cartridge color. We fill in white, yellow, magenta, cyan, and black one by one. After the ink is primed, we go to do head cleaning. Turn on the printer. The printer will automatically clean. Because when the printer leaves our factory, the technician will inject moisture liquid into the ink tuber. So when we use the printer for the first time, we need to clean it several times until the ink flows into the nozzle. Next, I will show you how to clean the print head manually. After a few manual cleans, we saw that the ink had all flowed into the printer nozzles. Now let's print the nozzle test. Well, looks like a perfect nozzle check. This means the machine is getting ready to print. In the next video, we will show you how to install the software and how to print your design onto your t-shirt. See you next video.